Phew! It can't be.
It is!
Class, let me introduce you to the Slime Master.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Slime Master!
Class, you all can do better than that. Give the Slime Master a warm welcome.
Good morning, Slime Master!
Slime is a fun DIY craft that you can do with your family and friends.
Oh, Slime Master, you came to the wrong class.
It is made.
It is made. Slime Master, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. As I was saying, it is made all over the world.
Hey, bro, did you have anything to do with that?
You know it.
He's not even ready.
Slime Master, you're going down.
It's time for morning snack. We'll break for a second and then we'll come back.
Bird, may I borrow that? Go get him, bro.
My snack. Where's my snack?
Your snack?
Who has it? I know you have it.
Now that's enough, Slime Master. They're just kids.
Excuse me, Miss Wizard.
Yes, Bird?
He might want to check his pockets.
I'm sorry. I'm not feeling quite like myself this morning.
It's okay. Take a moment if you need one.
That may not be a bad idea.
Oh, guys, do you see what I see? Bird, I need to borrow the remote. It doesn't feel good when someone takes your iPhone, does it, Slime Master?
Hello? Hello?
Who hired that speaker? I won't be using that agency again. Maybe we should skip ahead to the slime challenge so that you can get home early.
Yes, that's more than I bargained for.
Everyone, to the challenge room.
Slime Master wants a challenge. He's getting a paw slime challenge.
Let's make some slime.
In goes the baking soda.
My turn. Nice.
Time for some activator. Now that's how you make slime.
Make slime like a master. That's right.
Looking good.
Time to to stir.
This slime looks like marshmallows. Rock, paper, scissors! Take that, slime master!
Something about this seems strange. Joy, would you like to keep or switch?
I'd like to keep. 3, 2, 1, uncover! Blue food coloring.
Yellow food coloring.
And to color my slime.
Now for a splash of yellow.
Rock, paper, scissors. I bet you won't come to challenge school again.
Keep or switch?
Keep. 3, 2, 1, uncover. Blue glitter.
Great glitter.
Here it goes. Whoa!
Now to pepper these eggs. My slime looks like an omelet.
Rock, paper, scissors. Another victory for the bird.
Keep or switch?
Keep. 3, 2, 1, uncover. Yes. Googly eyes.
Stars.
Now that's cool.
Now for the stars. Now that's some awesome slime.
Hey guys, whose slime do you like the best? Comment down below.
Don't forget, I am the slime master.
Hello?
Hello, it's the slime master.
Slime master.
That's right. Where can I get one of those magic paws remotes?
Oh, you know that, huh?
I know what you all did. Are you on your way to challenge school?
Why do you ask?
No reason. Bye.
Guys, you have to see this. I found it this morning.
Let me see. Rescue your slime from the playground, SM.
What? Oh no! Slime master.
We need to go get our slime.
What will we do? We have class.
Guys, there's one more thing.
There's more?
Yeah, I received a call this morning.
Don't tell me it was him. Was it the slime master?
It was definitely the slime master.
Oh no. What did he want?
He didn't say. But wait, he knows what we did to him.
You don't mean...
He knows how we paused him and everything.
Oh, brother. I think this game just entered another quarter. Yup.
We have to worry about this after class.
Right, after class.
Good morning, everyone. Did you all see the nice weather outside?
Good morning, Miss Wizaroo!
Okay, students. Did everyone bring their homework?
Bird, did you remember your homework?
Of course I did. I'm a good student.
Hey, Scooter, what about you? Did you remember your homework?
I certainly did.
Woo! I have to look out for these guys.
We all have our homework, Miss Wizard.
I'm so happy. I have a surprise for you all.
I love surprises. What is it? What is it?
I brought you all gloves!
Gloves? Miss Wizaroo.
See, that's why we have to sneak candy and stuff. I will be happy for whatever you brought me, Miss Wizaroo.
Scooter Wizaroo, you have my heart. Now as for the rest of you, I'll pretend I didn't hear that. Scooter, a pair for you.
Thank you.
And a pair for you.
Thank you, Miss Wizaroo.
You're so welcome, darling. Enjoy. A pair for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You guys, those aren't balloons. Put them on. All right, who remembers what last night's homework was? Yes, Scooter. What was last night's assignment?
To bring in slime.
That's right. Place your homework on your desk and I will come around to check it.
I brought in a purple slime and a pink slime.
These slimes are absolutely beautiful, Joy. Great job.
I brought in an orange slime and a green slime.
Okay, Scooter. I'm really liking this orange slime. And this green slime is nice too. Did you make these yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I brought in a blue slime and a yellow slime.
Bird! These slimes are awesome as well. You all did a great job with this assignment.
Thanks, Miss Wizaroo.
You're welcome, dear. Okay, so now guys, your assignment is to take your slimes out and play with them.
Is that a serious assignment?
Usually our challenges are more challenging than that. I'm not complaining.
You all are so funny. Playing with the slime is not our challenge. Playing with the slime will help us get ready for our challenge.
You guys at home, do you like playing with slime?
Click the thumbs up.
This is awesome.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do something super special with this slime. Who wants to guess what?
Are we making unicorn slime?
No, we're not making unicorn slime, but keep guessing.
Are we making galaxy slime?
Nope, we're not making galaxy slime.
Miss Wizard, I can't take the suspense.
All right, I'll tell you. We're gonna make rainbow slime.
Awesome!
It's a shame that we're stuck in this classroom when it's such a beautiful day.
You're right, Bert. It is a shame.
If only we could go somewhere.
You know, Miss Wizaroo, like a field trip.
A challenge school field trip? Why, that's a great idea.
Yeah, we should go somewhere outside.
Somewhere with toys.
We should go to a playground.
A playground. What a great idea.
Hey guys, we're gonna show you our rainbow slime when we come back, so watch to the end.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Field trip! Hey guys, we're on our way to the playground.
Come with us. Let's go.
Slime Master loves playing hide and seek. Now where is that slime? 10. Ready or not, here I come. 3,
size should I choose?
Whee! Let's see that slime mini tunnel. I found the green slime.
Where could that slime be?
I found the red slime.
I found the orange slime.
Guys, climb with me.
I found the blue slime. Got my slime.
This is fun. I found the yellow slime. I love the playground. Hey, that was so much fun.
Yeah.
You
know it.
Who's ready to put together our rainbow slime?
Me!
Let's lay our slimes side by side on the desk.
Okay, my green and my orange. How was that, Miss Rizaroo?
That's really good, Scooter. Okay, who's next?
Me! But I need to tell you something first.
Okay, what is it, Bird?
Blue slime didn't work.
Oh, I see. And why do you think that is, Bird?
That's because it's Play-Doh slime. And Play-Doh slime isn't that stretchy.
I see. Okay, go ahead and bring your yellow slime.
Excuse me, Scooter.
That looks really cool, guys. Okay, Joy, let's add your slime.
First, we'll add my pink. And then my purple. Now, let's press it. Let's make that rainbow.
Wow, guys, it's starting to actually look like a rainbow.
Now we're done.
Pretty colors.
You all aced that DIY challenge, guys. Great job.
Thank you, Miss Rizaroo.
For more awesome videos, hit subscribe. Bye, friends.